Welcome everyone to a Khan Academy tutorial. We're doing identify quadrilaterals. This is for all our geometry students, probably beginning polygon studies, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So which of the following shapes are rhombuses or rhombuses, depending on how you say it? So rhombuses are parallelograms that have all equal sides. So we have two shapes here with all equal sides. It's C and D. Technically, a square, even though it has 90-degree angles, is a type of rhombus. It's a more specific type of rhombus. The only qualification for a rhombus is a parallelogram with all equal sides, so both of these are good. So we're going to check the answer, and we're good. All right, next question. Which of the following are rectangles? A rectangle is a parallelogram with 90-degree angles. So this one is a rectangle because it has 90-degree angles. Rect means like right, so right angles. A square is a type of rectangle. We don't know about, C might be tempting to click because it looks like a rectangle, but you see it's not a closed shape. B, we don't know if those are 90-degree angles, so we're only going to choose A and D for this one. Next question. Which of the following shapes are squares? So squares is a very specific type of parallelogram. It has all equal sides, and it has all right angles. So it's only A, and it looks like D. So all those sides are equal. They all have 90-degree angles. B and C we see are all congruent sides, but we don't know anything about the angles, so we can't pick B or C. Those are rhombuses. Technically, all four of these are rhombuses. Which of the following are rhombuses? We have D, because all sides are equal. All sides are equal. It doesn't matter about the angles as long as it's a parallelogram, four-sided shape. A and B are not. Those are parallelograms. A is a specific one called a rectangle. So these are only the two rhombuses. Which of the following shapes are rectangles? Has to have 90-degree angles, and that's it. We have a trapezoid at the bottom for choice D, just in case you're wondering. Which of the following shapes are squares? Squares have to have four equal sides and 90-degree angles. So it's only B and D. And then lastly, which of the following are rhombuses? We have all equal sides. It doesn't matter if there's 90-degree angles or not. A is a trapezoid, and B is not a polygon because it's not a closed shape. And there we go. That's all there is to identify quadrilaterals. I'm waiting for this. There it is, that congratulations music. Hope you enjoyed this video. Join me next time on Wes Explains Best.